Good morning to all. Today discuss about mass transfer operation 1, unit number 5, gas absorption ના બેસિસ પર આપણે જોઈએ છીએ. In a previous lecture માં આપણે types of absorption versus dissociation નો પાર્ટ જોયો હતો. તો અત્યારે ડિટેલમાં ડિસ્કસ કરીશું આપણે height equivalent to a theoretical plate HETP. is a part of height equivalent to an equilibrium stages theoretical plate ના બેસિસ પર જોઈશું. જે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ પાર્ટ છે, 3 માર્ક્સમાં શોર્ટ નોટમાં વારંવાર પૂછી શકાય છે અને એના બેઝિસ પર આપણે નંબર ઓફ યુનિટ ટ્રાન્સફર અને હાઇટ ઓફ યુનિટ ટ્રાન્સફરના એક્ઝામ્પલ જોવાના છે. ઓકે, ધીસ ઇઝ ધ મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ પોઈન્ટ ઇન GTU એક્ઝામ. ધીસ ઇઝ ધ HETP શોર્ટ નોટ 3 માર્ક્સમાં પૂછી શકાશે. ઓકે, તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ. ઇઝ height equivalent to an equilibrium stages a theoretical plate. The height equivalent to a theoretical plate is a height of section height of section of packing that will be a same part. Separation is achieved with one theoretical plate. The height equivalent theoretical plate is the determining extremely and is the characteristics of each packing. It depend upon the type and size पर depend करे, size of the packaging and flow rate of fluid and also concentration. Okay, the height of pack bed and column with height of the packing also required to effect given degree separation is calculated by the multiplying and the number of theoretical plates and also required to achieve the same degree of separation of by height equivalent to a numerical plate also. Okay, simply this is a part for a HETP. What is a HETP? Is the height of a section of packing that will be give a same separation as that achieved with one theoretical plate also, and the HETP is determined experimentally and is the characteristics of each packing. It depend upon the type of the determined extremely and it is the characteristics of each packing. It depends upon the type and the size of packaging, the flow rate of the fluid and the concentration also, the height of pack column in the height of packing also, the required to effect you are given degree separation is the calculated part by the multiplying the number of theoretical plates required to achieve the same degree of separation by the HETP. Okay, then the next part is the liquid distribution. This is an important part on a short note for this year, liquid distribution part. Okay, for maximum active surface area, the packing should be weighted completely by the dissiping liquid and this can be achieved by this its proper distribution. For efficient column operations part in a uniform distribution of the liquid at the top of the pack bed is the essential part. Okay, liquid distributor also as a device that speed spreads the liquid uniformly across the top of this packaging also, and several types of the liquid distribution used are the perforated pipe distributor, the orifice type of distributor, through type of distributor and the Wells rise distributor. Weir અને કે જે આપણે પેક ટાવરમાં જોઈ ગયા છે ડિટેલમાં, પેક ટાવર અને એલટી ટાવર. Okay, this is a liquid distribution part. For a maximum active surface area, the packing should be weighted completely by a descending liquid. This can be achieved by this proper distribution also. For efficient column operation, uniform distribution part of the liquid at the top of the pack bed is essential, and the liquid distributor is a device that spreads the liquid uniformly across the top of this packaging. Several types of the liquid distribution used are the perforated pipe distributor, orifice type distributor, and through type distributor also, and a weird riser distributor. Okay, this is the figure discussion part. જોઈ લો. Which one is the liquid distributor on the support plate? The first one A is a liquid distributor and the second one is a support plate for pack tower. Okay, figure જોઈ લો તમે એકવાર completely. This is simply graphic figure wise આપ્યું છે તમને કે ઓરિફિસ ટાઈપ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટર કયા છે, થર્ડ ટાઈપ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટર કયા છે અને પરફોરેટેડ પ્લેટ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટર્સ છે જે રાઈટ સાઈડમાં આપ્યું છે ધીસ વન. ઓકે, ધીસ વન ઓલ્સો અને ધીસ વન આપ્યું છે આપણને વેલ્ડિંગ રાઈઝ સપોર્ટ પ્લેટ લિક્વિડના છે અને કેપ ટાઈપ ગેસ ઇન્જેક્શન ટાઈપ સપોર્ટ પ્લેટ માટે છે અને આ બાજુ વાયર મેશ સપોર્ટ છે. ઓકે, તો ફિગર એકવાર ખાસ જોઈ લો. ओके, दिस इज सिम्पली ग्राफिकली यानी कि जे लिक्विड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सपोर्ट प्लेट कई टाइपनी आवे छे ते तमने बताव्युं छे. ओके, सिम्पली द फर्स्ट वन इज देयर orifice type distributor and okay, second one is the third type distributor also. Third one is there perforated pipe distributor જે આ પાર્ટ આવે છે લિક્વિડ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટરનો. હવે સપોર્ટ પ્લેટ ફોર પેક ટાવર માટે જોઈએ તો આ ટાઈપ માટે છે. તો વેલ્ડિંગ રિંગ માટે છે સપોર્ટ પ્લેટ માટે અને સેકન્ડ વન છે લિક્વિડ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટર કેપ ટાઈપ અને ગેસ ઇન્જેક્શન ટાઈપ ઓફ સપોર્ટ પ્લેટ. ઓકે, અને લાસ્ટ વન ઇઝ ધ વાયર મેશ સપોર્ટ જે જાડી કહીએ ને આપણે એ પ્રમાણે છે. સપોર્ટ પ્લેટ એન્ડ ફોર અ પેક ટાવર. ઓકે, સપોઝ મેઇન ડિસ્કશન પાર્ટ જોઈએ હવે આપણે liquid distributor માટે this one. Okay, for maximum active surface area the packing should be weighted completely by the descending liquid and this can be achieved by its proper distribution for efficient column. Okay, any operation and a union distribution of the liquid at the top of the pack bed is essential. And a liquid distributor is a device that splits the liquid uniformly across the top of this packing. The several types of the liquid distribution used are the first one is a perforated pipe diameter, orifice type distributor, through type distribution and wire riser distributor. Okay, support plate हमने आ टाइप ऐसे थी आपने फिगर में जोयो. Okay, these are different types of the liquid distributor and a support plate. In this packed column also the packing support must be sufficiently strong as it carries the weight of the entire pack bed and at the same time it must have a large free area for passage of the gas and liquid phases so as to offer very low resistance to flow of the phases. Okay, the relatively merits of the plate. Okay, relatively merits of the plate and the pack tower and a column. The selection of a particular kind of this plate or pack tower for a relative to gas mass transfer operation generally rest of the cost and the profit consideration માટેનો use થાય છે. But in many cases choice can be made on the base જે ક્વોન્ટિટેટિવ એનાલિસિસ અને રિલેટિવ મેર્સના માટે જે આપણે મેર્સ સુપર સેચ્યુરેશન થિયરી જોઈ ગયા છે ઓલરેડી. Demerits of the plate and a pack tower for selecting the right type of this contactor for a given mass transfer duty. The following merits and demerits should be considered. The plate column operate over a wide range of the liquid flow rate without flooding માટે છે. First discussion part is there. ઓકે, અને સેકન્ડ વનનો પોઈન્ટ જોઈએ આપણે કે પ્લેટ કોલમ બાય ધ રિપીટેડલી ધ મિક્સિંગ અને સેપરેશન પ્રોવાઈડ કરે ત્યારે મોર પોઝિટિવ કોન્ટેક્ટ બિટવીન ધ ફ્લુઇડ ફેસ માટે એનો યુઝ થતો હોય છે. તો વેર ઇઝ ધ પેક્ડ કોલમ મે બી લીડ ટુ બેક મિક્સિંગ ઓર બાયપાસિંગ માટે because of the difficulties arising in the dispersion the liquid in a packed tower. A plate tower is more reliable and need less safety factors, a low liquid to gas mass velocity ratio. Okay, the second one, plate column by repeatedly mixing and separation provide a more positive contact between the fluid phase. Now, where the packed column may be lead to back mixing or bypassing matter. Because of the difficulties arising in the dispersion of a liquid in a packed tower, a plate tower is more reliable and need less safety factors at low liquid to the gas mass velocity ratios. Okay, the side stream are very easily taken out of the from plate tower also. And for plate tower design information is generally જે મોસ્ટલી અવેલેબલ જગ્યા પર હોય એ જગ્યા પર આપણે એ ટાવરને આપણે પ્લાન કરી શકીએ, ડેવલપ કરી શકીએ. whenever જ્યારે કો liquid mixture containing a dispersed solid are to be handled, the plate tower should be preferred as cleaning of the plate is very easily. Okay. Whenever the liquid mixture containing dispersed the solid are to be handled, plate tower should be preferred as cleaning of this plate is very easily. Now, whenever the intermediate cooling arrangement is required to remove the heat of a solution or a reaction, the plate tower are preferred. The cooling coil are easily incorporated in a plate tower. Okay. For a given duty ના બેઝિસ પર જોઈએ આપણે the total weight of a dry plate અને tower is normally less than the weight of a packed tower, but the weight of the both tower is approximately the same if the liquid hold up in the plate tower during this operation is taken into the account. Okay, overall. And then the for column diameter more than 1200 mm and the packed tower are selection and the seldom design, and for a column diameter less than the 600 mm the packaging are cheaper than the plates. For a liquid having a tendency to form and a packed tower are usually perforated. Okay, the high value of liquid gas ratio are best handled in a packed tower na basis પર છે, અને liquid hold up in a considerably low in a packed tower, so they are used in case where liquid deteriorations might occur with the higher temperature is used for handling heat sensitive liquid na basis પર છે. બરાબર છે. For a liquid having tendency to form, this packed tower are usually preferred for in this basis. Number 13, the pressure drop through a liquid packed tower is usually low, much make the packed tower particularly described in vacuum distillation operations. Okay, જે already આપણે mass transfer 2 માં જોઈશું. डिस्टिलेशનમાં કેટલા ટાઈપના ડિસ્ટિલેશન આવે છે? એક્ઝોટોપિક ડિસ્ટિલેશન, એક્સટ્રેક્ટિવ ડિસ્ટિલેશનના બેઝિસ પર, વેક્યુમ અને મોલેક્યુલર ડિસ્ટિલેશન ઓલ્સો. ઓકે, the pressure are dropped through a packed tower is usually low, which make the packed tower particularly desirable for a vacuum distillation operation. And a packed tower may be more economical than plates tower when they highly corrosive. The fluids are to be handled because of the corrosion resistance, ceramic, plastic packaging also. The plate tower are often preferred when large temperature change are involved, as in the distillation part for thermal expansion or contraction of the equipment. Okay, for a component may be crushed in this packaging. Also, packed column and the plate column are the commonly used. Okay, commonly used equipment for a gas liquid operation such as distillation and a gas absorption. They are also used in a liquid extraction. જે આપણે ડિટેલ્સમાં ચેપ્ટર જોવાના છે. Okay. Simply revision part for this one for height HTP, height equivalent to an equilibrium stage and liquid distribution also. Okay, so thank you so much. Next lecture માં આપણે જોઈશું એક્ઝામ્પલ એના height of equivalent ના અને સમ જે એક્ઝામ્પલ બાકી છે તે આપણે ડિસ્કસ કરીશું. So thank you so much.